Are you struggling to lose weight? Have you heard about the low-carb diet plan? Hey there, welcome to our channel.
So fucking good, just what my body needs. You should know that.
In today's video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about the benefits and risks of following a low-carb diet for weight loss. The low-carb diet plan involves cutting down on carbohydrates and increasing your intake of proteins and healthy fats. This diet has gained immense popularity in recent times and is known to be effective in helping people lose weight. One of the main benefits of a low-carb diet is weight loss. When you reduce your intake of carbohydrates, your body switches to burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This leads to a significant reduction in body fat and helps you lose weight. In addition to weight loss, a low-carb diet can also help reduce your appetite. This is because protein and fat take longer to digest than carbohydrates, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the need to snack between meals. Another benefit of a low-carb diet is that it can help lower your blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, as it can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the need for medication. A low-carb diet can also help improve your cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that it can help increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, also known as good cholesterol, while reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein, which is known as bad cholesterol. Additionally, a low-carb diet can help increase your energy levels. This is because it promotes the production of ketones, which are an alternative source of energy for your body. Before we move on to the next section, which is the risks of a low-carb diet, we want to share a little secret with you. Did you know that you can still enjoy carbs and lose weight at the same time? Yes, it is possible. We have a link in the description below that will take you to the offer, where we'll share some healthy and delicious ways to incorporate carbs into your diet without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Now let's talk about the risks of a low-carb diet. It is important to note that following a low-carb diet plan may come with some risks. Cutting out carbohydrates completely from your diet may lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you're not careful about including a wide range of foods in your meals. Another risk of a low-carb diet is that it can cause constipation. This is because many low-carb foods, such as meat and cheese, are low in fiber, and a lack of fiber can lead to digestive problems. It is important to consult a doctor or a nutritionist before starting a low-carb diet plan. This will help ensure that your body is getting all the nutrients it needs and that you are following a diet plan that is sustainable in the long run. In conclusion, the low-carb diet plan can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks and to make sure that you are following a healthy and sustainable diet plan. Now, if you're hesitant about cutting out carbs completely, we've got a surprise for you. Click the link in the description below to discover a unique way to eat carbs and still lose weight. It's a game changer. That is it for this video. Thanks for tuning in and sticking with us until the end. We hope this video has shed some light on the benefits and risks of a low-carb diet plan and helped you make an informed decision about your weight loss journey. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about balance, and cutting out carbs entirely might not be the best option for everyone. And if you want to learn more about achieving your weight loss goals while still enjoying carbs, don't forget to click the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. We're here to support you on your journey to a healthier, happier you.